just came to say hello. Oh, 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 oh.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. Here are two of my Rose Bear concepts using the Bath & Body Works, and these are just straight Bath & Body Works baskets. This one I created a Bath & Body Works tower using the Bath & Body Works there. I placed it in a dessert cup or dessert mug, very pretty cup, glass cup. I stuffed the cup with the paper and placed some foam in there and covered it up as well. This is the cup that I used. And then I put roses in there around the bottom of the Bath & Body Works. And I used a gold container for it because the Bath & Body Works bottle is gold. This is in a shrink wrap bag. However, I did not shrink wrap the top. I just shrink wrapped the bottom of the bag. And this gift has turned out beautifully. I also decided to do a unbasket using the blue Bath & Body Works product. So for the unbasket, I placed a styrofoam board in the bottom with the shred, and I used the blue Bath & Body Works. And then for this one, I used the Whitman sampler as a backer for this. And both of these Bath & Body Works concepts have turned out beautifully. And you can see that is the backer there for this one. And I topped it with a red bow and our Bath & Body Works ribbon. And the other one I topped with a gold bow and placed a heart in the center of that bow. A red heart. So this is me playing catch up. I was able to get approximately 10 of the baskets done yesterday. And I was able to get some more of the candy hearts started. So those will get finished today. And I'll do some more baskets. Just tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed. But most importantly, be a blessing, y'all. Bye-bye.